Our phones are an integral part of our existence. We are attached to our smartphone like we are to our clothing. It never leaves our side and we feel naked without it. Losing your phone in public results in instant terror and backtracking, for being without it means being helpless. But our phone isn't necessarily what we need when we reach for it. What we need is the connection to our apps, our friends, and to be able to communicate instantly with anyone at any time. So then the question becomes, are smartphones just an entry-level device for what future generations will use? Will our grandchildren look to the smartphone as being antiquated the same way we view the rotary phone today? If there is one thing that is common in all new tech startups and businesses in general, is that they solve problems. Innovative products take what was once a time-oriented task and they make it better, or more convenient, or faster. That in turn saves you time, which is money, and justifies whatever price tag that item may have, if reasonable. So what could be better than a smartphone? Since we already established that the phone is just a device that allows you to communicate, we don't really need the phone at all, we just need an interface. Think about how many times a day you reach into your pocket, wake the phone, and click away until you solve your immediate problem. This is eating at your time, and it could be improved by simply interacting with your field of vision, eliminating the physical device altogether and making communication seamless. Many believe that the next evolution of the smartphone will be some type of augmented reality platform, connecting the user to many different cloud-based applications that will essentially turn the user into a cyborg with superhuman powers. This type of interface presents us with many great opportunities to enhance efficiency, but also presents a path that could lead to an invasion of privacy much more draconian than any dictatorship could ever dream. We could essentially be headed towards a future where everyone could be recording everything at all times, and there would be no way to stop it because the connection could be built into the eye itself rather than a contact lens. The eyeball is an organ which is the same size from birth all the way to death, so in the future it may make sense to simply have an eyeball transplant from a very early age in order to become assimilated into society as soon as possible. How will our society interact when people begin to adopt augmented reality connected devices? Just like the first adopters of the mobile cell phone looked crazy holding a brick to their face, and how the first adopters of the Bluetooth earphone looked insane, so will those who are interacting with a field of vision that no one else can see. Despite this, the added level of convenience that we will get from being able to connect with a slight wave of the finger makes the technology inevitable. Even though it only takes a few seconds to remove your phone from your pocket, that is still time that affects productivity and convenience. Imagine being able to recognize any face at any time, instantly knowing the name of a friend or customer, or being able to know the make and model of any object. That is the promise of augmented reality. It could add a tertiary layer to our species that could not only alter the way we interact, but also change the way our brains operate. If we train our brain to no longer need to know information because it is readily available, then the game becomes how fast we can access the data. Perhaps a direct neural connection will become necessary in order to more quickly communicate with our cloud-based artificial intelligence applications. The games we will invent will be very interactive, and the applications that will come about will scramble our understanding of societal norms. Just like in the show Black Mirror, we could have applications that allow us to block out individuals or subjects of our choosing. An augmented reality platform could also allow for nefarious applications such as enhanced vision, being able to see through walls and clothing, which could come about after someone invents the app for military or work-related tasks. Education could be altered forever because students no longer need to memorize information if it is available in the form of augmented reality. The applications that user experience designers will create will change the way we do everything, even in the comfort of our own home. Some ideas that have already been thought of include enhanced cooking preparation assistance, instant skin lesion diagnosis, animal and plant detector, street directions, car finder, and instant price checker for items in stores. Basically anything and everything you can do with your phone could be done instantly through a seamless augmented field of vision layered on top of your contact lenses or eye implant, including many applications that haven't even been thought of yet. The dual-edged nature of tech has always reared its head, especially in the case of augmented reality, but we can be certain that this technology is coming. Convenience deems it so.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.